Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are doing the next questions of exercise 5.2 of arithmetic progression. Question number 16. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16. So third term is 16. So A3 is equal to 16, and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So seventh term exceeds the fifth term. So A5 by 12. Seventh term is 12 more than 15th term. Exceed means ज़्यादा होता है. Exceeds the fifth term by 12. So these are the two equations found from this question. With the help of this, we have to find the arithmetic progression. For finding the arithmetic progression, we will have to find A and we will have to find D also. So for A3 is equal to 16, so A plus 2D is equal to 16. So this is 3, this is 1, this is 1, and now A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. So A plus 7 means 7 minus 1, so 6D. So A5 means A plus 4D, it is equal plus 12. So A cancel, 6D minus 4D, it is equal to 12. So 2D is equal to 12. So cancel here. So D is equal to 6. We have calculated. Now put the value of D over here. So put the value of D in equation 1. So A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. So A plus 12 is equal to 16. Bring 12 in this side. A is equal to 4. So first term we have got 4 and common difference is D. Therefore arithmetic progression is, first term you will write, after first term just add the second term. So it is 10. Then again add the common difference. So it is equal to 16. Then again add the common difference. It is 22 and so on. So our arithmetic progression is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. This is the answer. So now we are coming to the next question, question number 17. Question number 17 says that find the 20th term of the from the last term, not from the beginning of the arithmetic progression. It is given 3, 8, 13, 253. So solution. So here yes, you will have to here it is given from the last term, not from the first term. So as we know that L, the last term, is 253 and AP is 3, 8, 13 and so on, 253. So nth term from the last term, from the last term L of general arithmetic progression A plus D and so on. Lastly I am writing L minus D and so on, is the formula is the last term. So it is L minus n minus 1 into D, because this is the second last term, so here is 1. So L minus 2D. So it is the third last term, so L minus 3 minus 1 into D. So I have already given the formula in the beginning of the first video. So last term is here, L is equal to 253 and we have to find the 20th term from the end. So n is equal to 20. and D is equal to, you will just take the D, 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. So 253 minus from here, so 253 minus 20 minus 1 into 5, so it will come 253 minus 19 into 5, so 253 minus 95, 253 minus 95, so it is equal to 8, and then we will get 5 and then 1, so it is 158. So therefore 20th term from the last term is 158. So this will be the answer. So nth term from the last term, the formula is nth term from the last term. This is the formula of nth term from the last term L of the general arithmetic progression. This is L minus n minus 1 into D. So you just use the formula and put the values. So last term is 253, so put last term is equal to 253 and n is equal to 20th term from the, we have to find out the 20th term from the last, and the common difference is D, so it is coming 158. So this is the answer. So I hope this is the answer is clear. There is no problem at all. So now please like and subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.